It's good.
It tastes good?
Tastes
Oh,
good,
that's
guys.
good. Thank you, thank you. Yes.
And
Only
you
thing
know
you
what me
did
I
need.
gotta know? Me I get some sauce and dip it in it.
Wow, that's true.
Extra. Yeah.
Look like you need some pepper in it, you know, some hot sauce. That's what I'm gonna eat my
It's
with.
good.
It would make it even better with some sauce on it, you know?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Welcome back, guys. I'm in the kitchen here today. As you can see, I'm gonna prepare something that I feel like I want to eat today, and I have cabbage, carrot, scallion, eggs, bell pepper, and spinach. That's what I feel like, you know, to put together to eat tonight. So I want you to follow me through as I make the preparation. Okay, this is a carrot.
So I'll just peel in the carrot.
So this is the spinach. I'm washing this. I already washed it already. So I'm just washing it a little bit more. It's already clean. So I'm gonna cut the spinach up very small. Mix these things and everything.
I'll be preparing the spinach.
Putting all these bones everything in there. Some people may only use the leaves, but I want everything in there. I want everything else in there. I don't want to cut my finger. This is a cabbage. I'm gonna cut the cabbage up now.
So I cut the cabbage in fine.
Yeah, I want it. I want it to everything to get in together. Okay. And this is cool. This was already washed.
Whatever do the grater.
I'm gonna shred the carrot.
Okay.
Guys, my hand is hurting me, my shoulder, but I'm still using it. It's hurting me, but I'm still using it. And then a piece of the bell pepper. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. It's already washed. I'm just gonna cut it up right now. With the cutting up, as you can see, finish with the cutting up. So I'm gonna look about the egg, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of flour, the egg, and a little bit of soda, and as you can see, a little sloppy mama and black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna get another egg. This is, we have black pepper. Come on, black pepper. Little black pepper. This is the slappy mama. Just a little bit. Slappy mama. think maybe let me put a little more seasoning there. Okay. That's enough.
It look nice already.
Yes, beautiful. Okay.
See guys.
Beautiful.
Looking good.
Okay, let me get the. Okay, I'm gonna use some olive oil. Some people use butter, but me, you would wanna use butter. I want olive oil. Let's a little dab of olive oil. Okay, so what I'm using now, I'm not gonna use the flour nor the baking powder. I'm just, you know, gonna do just the egg and the vegetable. Let me turn the stove down. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have it there for like 10 minutes on one side and then, you know, flip it over to the other side. And so I'm gonna flip it over in now. Guys, I have one side done already, so I have it on the other side now, and this is the outcome of it. You can see. Okay. Yes, the other side. See how beautiful it is? Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful. It's ready, it's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, as you see, it's ready. We're gonna try it. I'm so excited to try something new. So please watch us while we taste it, and I know it's very good. It's very good. So we are gonna taste it now. So I'm gonna cut it. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Oh, I'm excited to taste it.
It look good, man.
Yeah, look good. It's gonna taste good as well. Wow. And looks good. We are gonna try it. We're gonna try it and see. Okay, let me get the fork. How does it taste right now?
Tastes good.
It tastes good? It's sure it's good.
I'm sure.
Okay, that's good. Jadori, how does it taste?
It tastes good.
Oh, thank you, Jadori. Thank
Yeah.
you. It's good. Oh yeah, wonderful.
Now my time to
your
taste
turn
now.
now, Tamara,
You
to
taste
it.
first.
All
Let
right,
people
let me
them know.
taste it.
Yeah,
I'm
chef.
gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it. I'm not can't even wait. I'm gonna use my hand. What? Ah, it's good.
Look like you need some pepper in it, you know, some hot sauce. That's what I eat my way.
It's good.
It would make it even better with some sauce on it, you know?
Right.
Mhm.
It's good. Okay, so
Don't eat it off, leave
no, I'm
me.
not gonna finish it. So next time now I'm gonna put some. You said to put some sauce,
Just get the
Like
sauce
some
on the
hot sauce?
side.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can put hot sauce, stuff like
hot
that.
sauce or something like that. It's very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so your time now. How does it taste?
Tastes good.
It tastes good.
Tastes
Oh,
good,
that's
guys.
good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
And
Only
you
thing
know
you
what me
did
I
need.
gotta know? Me I get some sauce and dip it in it.
Wow, that's true.
Extra. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Guys, as you can see, I did an amazing job. You know, I applaud myself for that. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And guys, you can try it. I promise you're gonna love it. Try it and see how it tastes. And please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it. And you can add whatever else you want to add to it, but I don't add a lot of stuff to it. I didn't use like the flour, the baking powder, whatever in there. No, you can add whatever else. Next time, what I'm gonna add to it is some sauce, like hot sauce. And you know, that's about it. But it is wonderful, I promise you. I promise you guys, try it. Try it. Thank you guys.